It all starts when a single sperm meets an egg in the fallopian tube. After fertilization, the tiny zygote develops into a blastocyst and travels to the uterus, where it implants into the uterine lining. Then something incredible begins. The yolk sac forms, providing early nutrients while the placenta is still developing. By the end of the first month, the neural tube is forming, the structure that will develop into your baby's brain and spinal cord. And your baby is only about the size of a sesame seed. Then comes month 2, and everything starts moving quickly. The nervous system develops, the heart starts beating, and tiny arm and leg buds appear. Your baby's facial features begin taking shape too. Tiny eyes, ears, and a mouth are starting to form. By month 3, the major organs are in place. Tiny fingers and toes are forming, and movements are becoming more coordinated. By the end of the first trimester, your baby is about the size of a peach, and while your baby is changing rapidly, your body is changing too. Fatigue, breast tenderness, frequent urination, digestive changes, cravings, food aversions, and mood swings can all happen from one tiny cell to a developing baby. The first trimester is an incredible beginning. Follow for the next stage of the pregnancy journey.